Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by, and if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. So here's my neutral cut crease look. If you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching, and if you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you would like to do a makeup theme collab with me, leave it in the comments. And I will not be doing a full voiceover for this entire video. All products used will be in the description box. If you have any questions, let me know. So this primer a little bit goes a long way. So I like to just, draw a line across my crease area with it. And I use this brush to blend it up towards my brow bone, but I don't want it all the way to my brow bone where my concealer is. I'm just placing it where I'm going to apply shadow. Then I kind of rub it in with my finger. Then I dry it down with my fan. Using my Suave Beauty Protégé palette, I'm going to take the shade there, and I'm using an angled eyeliner brush, and I'm just going to use this to map out the area of where I want to blend my shadow. And then I'm going to take a pencil type blending brush and blend it out towards my brow bone. I'm just going to add this shade into my crease for my NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. I'm just blending on my edges. I'm going to use this shade here to blend out my edges a little bit more. I use a skinny brush because I want the winged out cut crease shape. So I'm using this to pretty much draw out where I want to place my primer. Then I'm going to use a flat brush to blend it into my lid and bring it down. I'm going to go into all the colors I used previously to make sure everything is nice and blended and no colors got lost. Okay, so these magnetic lashes I got from Amazon, I think you pronounce it as EBU, and I'm going to use those ones on the bottom. And I already applied my liner off camera, and I'm just bringing my lashes down with the tweezers. And like I said in my previous video, I realized that I didn't have to draw the liner all the way to the inner corner. I basically just start where my lashes start and go all the way to my outer V. And then I like to bend the lash so it's easier for me to place it onto my eye. Once it's in place, I just press my natural lashes with the magnetic lash. And then you can use tweezers if you need to move your hairs out of the way, because mine's curl upward on the end, so sometimes they'd be in the way. Then I like to press it down with the tweezers and move my lashes out of the way to make sure that the magnetic lash is all the way flat. Some days it's a little bit trickier than others, and I'm still learning. I've only been doing this for 2 weeks now, so yeah. But they don't take out my natural lashes, which I love, because I think regular glue probably would. And you just tug on it and it's there and it's on. I'm just taking a little bit of liquid eyeliner by Kat Von D just to the inner part of my eye and my outer V, just to kind of blend it in with my band a little bit, if that makes sense. Alright guys, here you have it. Here's my completed look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. My next look would be a purple, pink, and yellow look. Appreciate all the love and support. Until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye. Don't mind my kids playing in the background. My son talking to his brother on the phone, playing the game, being super loud, even though I have my door closed. But anyways, love you guys so much. I hope you guys are staying safe out there. Bye.